Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I will share one of the Python problem with solution. My name is Puvarasim. So let's start our problem. So question is, given two integer numbers, return their product only if the product is equal to or lower than 1000. Otherwise return their sum. So problem statement is, if product is less than or equal to 1000, then return the value is product. Otherwise, if more than 1000, you return the value sum. Example, if you have two numbers a and b, if a and b multiply, if get the answer is more than 1000, then they give the answer is sum of that a plus b. Otherwise, if multiply a and b numbers less than 1000 values, they give the result is product values. That's a problem statement. First of all, open the Python file. Today I have used the Visual Studio Code Editor. So create a Python file and then name it Python file save as .py end of the file. So I create this file. Let's start our coding. First of all, write a diff function and then create a function name mulsum, multiplication sum. I have combined it's a user specifications, and then create two variables. Assign the two variables, that's a n1, n2. It is a simple problem. So create a variable product equal to n1 multiplication of n2. Next, we create if condition. So if product is less than or equal to 1000, so end of the code you can put a colon. I have made a small mistake. In this place I have write a print function. So use the print function, it will affect the result. So I will share with you. So print the product value. I am modify that code. So put the colon. So after return the value, I did not mention any value, return values I have mentioned. So next of all, put the else function and then sum will be equal to n1 plus n2. So return sum. Write the return. Actually in this place I have print value. I did not any return functions I made it. So after, actually in this code I have made two mistakes. I did not put any return values. So in this place I have result values. Result will be equal to function name mulsum and then give two numbers. I give a 16, 16. So after print the result values. So print result. After I run this code, I will get the none values. The result get none values. See this code. So I get the none value. So why I getting none values? Because I did not return any return values. So after I modify this code, return product value, and then I have delete the print function print after return the value of sum. So if I get the answers, so if I run this code, I get the answer is 120 because 16 comes 16. I have multiplied this number more than if I get more than 1000. So if return the value is sum values, so n1 plus n2 equal 120. So I have write another. I copy this code and then paste it. I modify the two values. One is 10, another one is 16. So if I get this 600 answer is, because 10 multiplication of 16 is get a 600 answer. So if you return the value is 600. So our problem statement is, so less than 1000 you can return the value is multiplication, otherwise sum values. So friends, this is the end of the video. I hope if you understand. Actually this is my first video, so I feel nervous. So I think you are understand this my language. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you later.